Hello, world of traders. Last week, I believe last 2 weeks, I briefly did a video about gold, and I posted it here on this platform, on this YouTube platform. And guess what? I'm going to walk you through. I stated a very strong key supply and demand zone that is going to play out in gold in my last previous video. If you did not watch it, I'm going to just give you a brief recap of the video to show you what gold honestly did. Like, you just need to watch the video. Let me not just talk more. Let me just refer you back to the old video, what I said in this key demand zone, what is going to happen in gold, and we're going to be seeing a very strong rejections from that place to the sell side. And actually the video actually played out like we anticipated. Is that not wonderful? So let's go back so that you can watch the video before I continue what I'm saying, to see some conflict from this point here that will show that yes, we'll start forming our lower lows. Let's see something like this, maybe here. No, not breaking this point. Maybe here, and change structures to lower lows, and maybe come back here. I think maybe this 50% retracement, or we're gonna, when we see this change of structure, maybe we're going to mark it out our Fibonacci again and check where the Fibonacci will come along in conflict and retest from there. So when we see this change of structure in gold, that we have start forming lower lows, because now we're forming higher highs here to retest this 50% retracement. So after testing this 50% retracement, what we're going to be seeing is lower lows. This video is quite long now, so I'm going to be ending it up here. If you really want to be seeing some good move like this, don't forget to click the link in the bio, because remember, I'm not going to make another video telling you yes, it's your high time to buy gold, because gold is not moving now this weekend. I'm just chilling and making this wonderful video for you. In my previous video, you remember the chart was like this, actually like this, and we did not see anything that was actually happening. I highlighted this key demand zone here. I said if this chart if price should react it should tap in this demand zone in conflict with this fair value gap, that will be seeing a very strong reaction from this zone. You remember because you watched the video I just showed you, and the video is, the link will be placed in this video. So after watching this video, you can go back and watch the video. So when I say that this price, we want to see a reaction from these videos, this demand zone, at least let's just see a reaction from here to here. I said at least let's just see a reaction from, let me bring out my listing. I said let's just see something like a tap in this demand zone and a rejection from here. You saw when I said it. I said let's see this, and actually this setup played out. Gold actually did this setup for us, and let me show you what gold did. I just put this on replay so that you can actually see with me. We waited patiently and we got a tap, and also the next day I took another sell position from here. We got another tap, and I took another sell position. We got another tap, and I took this last position that did not take us in, and this is where we are now at gold. Is this not a wonderful video? This actually played out live. If you've not watched this video, you really need to go and watch the previous video to see that I was not just faking all this trash, but this was a live predictions to the future. So, and it played out carefully. So I just want to drop this video. Then after price reacted from these zones, we were like, yo, everything played out. And this, mind you, this analysis, all this analysis was dropped live in our Telegram group. Everyone there saw this analysis. It was not like I was faking it or something. And if you're doubting, check the link on the bio and go to my Telegram group and go to the signal history. You see all this playing out. You see the date and the time we took this trade, when I was telling them go for sell, and you see when I told them go for buy, when we got to this buy setup here. So this is not like I was faking it. What I said in this video was like, maybe when you go to the video you get a better understanding. When we see this first rejection from here, I saw that there was a strong demand zone here. We took advantage of this sell low. Let me not lie to you, we took advantage of it. So I saw this demand zone that left here. I told my team, like, when we come let's just wait patiently. In this video, what I'm just trying to tell you that patience pays off in this game called trading. If you really can have patience, your setup can come to you. When you were talking about patience, you hear all the big boys saying about patience about this trading game. It's real. When you just do your setup, refine what you want to refine, your double top, your trend lines, any your blah 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 blah, anyhow you do trade. And after you refining it, keep your analysis. Maybe just place an order there. When the market comes there, the market will react from there, and it's a setup for you. So when I saw this demand zone, I told my team, let us see a reaction from this demand zone and see a very strong sell-off in here. And when we said it was this demand zone here, that broke these structures. So when this demand zone broke this structure, we said let's just wait for this demand zone to be retested, and we'll take another sell. We took another sell and take out this place. We said let's wait for this demand zone. Another demand zone came. We took to our general TP. So this one did not tap us in. I'm not gonna lie, we just took just a little bit partial here because we did not take it down to our TP. It did not get to our TP. Rather, we stopped at this demand zone here and the market get up. We were stopped at somewhere here around this point here, around 132, something like that. I get. So we saw this news. This news came out again on Friday here. I get on Friday this news came out. We waited another demand zone here, this demand zone that formed structure, the 50 Fibonacci retracement. If you've not watched about the 50 Fibonacci retracement, maybe I will do another video about the 50 Fibonacci retracement zone and drop to you. So if you followed us in this video, if you watched this video when I dropped this video, drop a comment on the comment section and drop a comment section and add hashtag DPIPS Academy. Add it on the comment section. DPIPS Academy, add some hashtags so I will know that yes, you would watch this video when this video was published. And guess what? I'm going to do another setup for you and drop for you. So a breakdown again. My area of interest, I'm waiting for gold to come to 100 and 400. I want gold to come to 3,400. And if you can see a rejection from this 3,400, because that was a demand zone that formed there. If you can see a rejection from here, we'll be going for another sell, at least to come to this point here, this demand zone here. So, but if we did not see, we're going to rest on gold because gold has actually did what we were anticipating. So I want if you can see if gold can reject from this point at 3,400, I want to see a very strong rejection to at least $3,200 per dollar on gold. So, but if gold should break out from 3,400, my another move I'm anticipating here is from here to 3,500 on gold. This will be my another move if we can see a rejection from here. If you see a rejection from here at 3,400 per gold, so I want to see another rejections to here and to here. Or if you see a breakout from here, if I can see a breakout from this point to this resistance zone and a retest here, I'm gonna take it to 3,500 barrel per gold. So this is my setup. But for now, I'm not in gold again. I'm just chilling. Like I said in my previous video, I'm just chilling on a Thursday, but I'm not on gold. I'm not on gold trade. I'm actually on Euro USD trade. We are not on gold. We've left gold for the big boys. We've left gold for the big boys. I'm on Euro USD trade. I'm anticipating Euro USD to come to at least this bad boy here. We took a sell from here, and after this sell from here, I'm anticipating a very strong bias to this point here, So this is my sell, and another setup I was looking at for was Euro USD. I call this the heart of the market. I call this bad boy the heart of the market. So the same thing I'm anticipating on on GBP USD. I'm anticipating on Euro USD as well. A very strong bias from here to at least this 1.7 1.17841. Let me see a rejection from here. You see this rejection, we are good, we are really good. So it's out there, it's me, the PIPS Academy. I'm here, I'm the realest person you've ever seen, and I'm here to give you everything about trading for free. If you're a beginner and you really want to be seeing a good prediction to the market, at least to be growing your account that you've blown to that amount, I'm here to give you the prediction ever. So check the link, and guess what, please, if you don't want to get me upset, click the like button and smash that subscribe button there. I want to see you added to my numbers of subscribers. So let me know that you subscribe. At least you subscribe. I'm talking to you. So next time I'm going to be dropping another video, so wait for another good setup that is coming. And don't forget to join the Telegram link. It's free. So join there and be seeing good predictions to the future and be making a hell of money. Stop blowing your account.